Hey, this is Eric from AHA. Today I get to show you our new integration between AHA Whiteboards and Azure DevOps. I get to see everything engineering needs in one place, and I don't have to configure a dang thing. Check it out. Okay, here we are in a whiteboard. This is a template we've inserted for a Kanban. Let's figure that out in the comments together, this is a Kanban board that we're using to keep track of what engineering's working on and what they have prioritized. You can see we've added some high priority features from the AHA roadmap side, but of course, engineering wants to tackle some technical debt as well. Why shouldn't they? Let's jump over to Azure DevOps here. Here's one of the work items they are curious about. I'm gonna copy that URL from the top, jump back and paste it, and bippity boppity boo, that's the magic moment. This is an actual record card. If I click that link, I go back to ADO. I can see some details about the record right here, and those details will be refreshed with the latest data every time I refresh this whiteboard. It's also very much a whiteboard object, so I can move it between the swim lanes. I can, apply a risk indicator, anything like that, if it's warranted. That is it. We did an integration like this for Jira a little bit ago, and both integrations work the same way. It's just a really simple way to keep on top of what engineering has prioritized, and a much easier way to come up with a plan that everyone feels confident about. Enjoy.